Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of pound dollar GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, I was absent from the market for the last 10 to 11 days because my father expired. So that was the main reason. So I'm back in action again. So now let's have a look at the chart of GBP USD. My dear friends, this is an uncertain chart. If we look at the chart of GBP USD, then we do not get a clear picture what is going on in the market and what is about to happen. For example, euro dollar. If we simply look at the chart of euro USD, then we can clearly see that this is a sideways market, range bound market. The number of buyers and sellers are almost equal, so it becomes easier for us to trade when we get a clear picture. But when it comes to GBP USD, then we do not have a clear picture. In fact, I was also reading this article, and what I found is that UK GDP in focus and technical analysis shows market uncertainty. Okay, if you want to read in detail, then you can just go to the article on dailyfx.com. So to be honest, I will strictly recommend new traders, beginners to avoid trading on GBP USD right now, because if I take into the chart of DXY also, then we do not have a clear picture. So things are pretty uncertain right now, and it is better to avoid long position. Long position means it's better to avoid swing trading positions right now. If you are planning to take a position and sit down for next 3 to 4 days, then I think that this is not the right time. It is better to trade from level to level right now because of the ongoing uncertainty in the market. DXY chart is also not much impressive. If I simply take you to the daily chart of DXY, you can simply see that market is in uptrend right now, trading in an upward channel. Whatever we saw for the last couple of days was simply a part of the correction. Overall, dollar still bullish. Dollar is an uptrend right now. Until and unless we have something like this on the chart of DXY, okay, we cannot consider it as a trend reversal. Dollar is still bullish. Okay, and if we look at the chart of GBPUSD, then we can see that just the opposite of US dollar. Overall, the market is still trading in a kind of a downward channel here. So market is still under the dominance of sellers right now. And on the lower time frame, we are facing the problem of uncertainty on the chart. So I'll repeat again, if you do not have any ongoing position on the market right now, then please try to avoid GBP USD because we do not have a clear picture. As a trader, you should never ever compromise with the capital. Capital protection should be your first priority, and always remember, a trader only trades when the opportunity is right. Right now, the opportunities are not very bright on the chart of GBP USD. The only trading opportunity I think can be around this level, which is the Fibonacci 61.8% retracement level, because 50% as well as 61.8% both are good levels works greatly on the chart of GBP USD. So this can be one level where you can expect the market to bounce 1.1960. If market comes down, and if you see market bouncing from here, you can consider taking a buy position for 30-40 pips, not more than that. Uncertainty is driving the market, so please be careful. Try to avoid GBP USD. If you think that if I have missed anything, then please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. Bye bye, take care.